I hope nasa malayo na yan. Hintay natin kung medyo malapit na. I will run away. Dito sa dumaan palagi eh. Wala naman na may gustuan ng malunggay pandesal eh. Nandun na siya. Pag lumapit na siya, dito. Ayan na. Baka lumapit na siya dito. Let's run away. Tingnan na. Malunggay pandesal naman. Wala naman ni gustuhan na may malunggay pandesal dito eh. Right? My friend? Ay, nakakainis eh. It's so annoying. I'm so sorry. What is the lesson? Never use malunggay pandesal megaphone always just because it's too annoying. You can malunggay pandesal can be used after a month, I believe. Duman na siya dito. Takbo na. Ano na mamaminig si Malunggay Pandesal? Saan ako matatago? Saan ako? Ayoko mamaminig si Malunggay Pandesal. Malunggay Pandesal, papo. I don't want to. Ayoko na mamaminig si Malunggay Pandesal. Ayoko, papo. Pandesal kasi, papo. I don't want to hear again. I don't want to. No, please, no. No, please. Dito muna ako matambay. No. No, please. No. Dito muna ako, please. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it again. I don't want to hear it. Ayoko na naman marinig. Ever. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ayoko naman marinig. It's too hot. I need to breathe this always. Ayun na, wala na. Bilis lang. Oh my gosh. Okay. Malunggay pandesal kasi, papo. Wala na.
Darami kang kalokohan.
Wala na. Pa magical lang siya. Wala na. Ha? Ang ka-charge pa lang. Ay, yan na naman. No. Not again. Ay, dumaan na siya dito. Ay, ba yan? Taga naman dumaan. Ayoko na. Ano ba yan? What is the lesson for today, guys? Never use malunggay pandesal megaphone always. Just because it keeps annoying. Ayoko na. No, please, no. Yes. I will. No, please. No, please. No. Wala. Pag naman dito yung pag sa gabi. Ayoko na naman malunggay pandesal kanina pa kasi. Nakakainis eh. No more malunggay pandesal. Yes. What is the lesson for today, my friend? Never use Malungay Pandesal megaphone always just because it keeps annoying. Malungay Pandesal can allow to use once year lang, once year, just once a month, I believe. No, just a year. It's okay.